Dear students, good morning. My name is H.V. Mahadev Swami, coming from Government Polytechnic, working as a selection grade lecturer. Now I will start Mathematics 1. In Mathematics trigonometry, I will start trigonometric ratios of compound angles. Trigonometric ratios of standard angles. The standard angles are trigonometric ratios of standard angles. Trigonometric ratios of standard angles. The standard angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree are called standard or well-known angles. Well-known angles. Well-known angles. In a trigonometric ratios, the standard angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree are the standard angles. Then how to find the trigonometric ratios of standard angles? Trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. First I will take trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. Trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. Trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. Consider a right angle isosceles triangle. Right angle isosceles triangle means in the triangle other than hypotenuse the remaining two sides are equal. In the triangle ABC, here the triangle ABC is the right angle isosceles triangle. Consider a right angled isosceles triangle. Right angled isosceles triangle ABC such that AB that is equal to BC and angle ACB that is equal to angle BAC equal to 45 degree. This one is the 45 degree. Let AB equal to BC equal to 1. Then what is the value of AC? From Pythagoras theorem, then we get AC here AB is 1, BC is 1 and AC that is root 2. From the Pythagoras theorem, that is AC square that is equal to AB square plus BC square, that is equal to 1 square is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. AC that is equal to square root of 2. AC equal to square root of 2. Now by using this triangle, write the trigonometrical ratios of 45 degree. That is sin 45 degree. Sin 45 degree that is equal to Sine, how do you define sine function? The sine, the ratio of opposite side of an angle 45 degree to the hypotenuse, that one gives the value of sine 45 degree. The opposite side of 45 degree is 1 by hypotenuse is root 2. Sine 45 degree, that is equal to 1 over root 2. Cos 45 degree, cos 45 degree equal to the ratio of adjacent side of an angle 45 degree to the hypotenuse, that one is called cos 45 degree. That is 1 by root 2. That is also 1 by root 2. Next, tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree, that is equal to the ratio of opposite side of an angle 45 degree to the ratio of to the adjacent side of an angle 45 degree is called tan 45 degree. That is 1 by 1, that is equal to 1. The reciprocal of sine is cosecant. Cosecant is hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse is root 2, opposite side is 1, that is equal to root 2. Secant 45 degree. The reciprocal of cos is secant. That is, secant is hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse is root 2, adjacent side is 1, that is equal to root 2. Next, cot 45 degree. The reciprocal of tan is cot. That is, cot is adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side is 1, opposite side is also 1, that is equal to 1. From this triangle, we get sine 45 degree equal to 1 over root 2, cos 45 degree also 1 over root 2, tan 45 is 1, cosecant 45 is root 2, secant 45 is root 2, and cot 45 degree, that is equal to 1. Next, I will take the trigonometrical ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. Trigonometrical ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. Consider an equilateral triangle ABC. Equilateral triangle means all the three sides are equal in a triangle. Then such a triangle is called an equilateral triangle. Here all the three sides are equal. Consider an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle ABC such that AB equal to BC equal to AC and angle A, that is equal to angle B, that is equal to angle C, that is equal to 60 degree. Let AB equal to BC equal to AC equal to 2 units. 2 units. Draw AD perpendicular to BC. In an equilateral triangle, that when AD is perpendicular to BC, that AD is the perpendicular bisector. when AB is 2, BAC is 2 and BC is 2, this when it is a perpendicular bisector, the value of BD is 1 and also CD is 1. By using Pythagoras theorem to find the value of AD, that is the formula, that is in ABD triangle, AB square, that is equal to AD square plus BD square, AD square plus BD square, that is AB square is 4, that is equal to AD to find plus BD square is 1 square is 1, that is 4 minus 1, that is equal to AD square, that is AD square equal to 3, AD that is equal to root 3, here AD is root 3. The perpendicular bisector, that is AD, that bisect the angle A also. When angle A is 60 degree, when it is bisect means angle BAD that is equal to 30 degree. Here angle B is 60 degree. Now the trigonometrical ratios of 30 degree. In sin 30 degree, sin 30 degree from the right angle triangle ABD, from the right angle triangle ABD, sin 30 degree, the 30 degree opposite side is BD by hypotenuse is AB, that is equal to 1 by 2. The value of sin 30 is 1 by 2. Next, cos 30 degree, cos 30 degree that is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. The 30 degree adjacent side is AD, hypotenuse is AB. AD is root 3, AB is 2. The value of cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Next, tan 30 degree, tan is opposite side by adjacent side. Tan 30 is opposite side is BD, adjacent side is AD. BD is 1, AD is root 3. Sin 30 degree is 1 over 2, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Next, cosecant 30 degree, cosecant is hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse is 2, opposite side is 1, that is equal to 2. Secant 30 degree, secant 30 degree that is equal to hypotenuse is 2, adjacent side is root 3. The reciprocal of sin is cosecant, reciprocal of cos is secant. So that is when cos 30 is root 3 by 2, secant 30 is 2 by root 3. Next, cot 30, cot 30 degree that is equal to adjacent side, that is root 3 by opposite side is 1, that is equal to root 3. From the triangle ABD, the value of sin 30 is 1 over 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, cosecant 30 is 2, secant 30 is 2 by root 3, cot 30 is root 3. Now the trigonometrical ratios of 60 degree. For 60 degree, here angle ABD is 60 degree. 60 degree opposite side is root 3, 60 degree adjacent side is 1 and hypotenuse is 2. From the right angle triangle ABD, we may write the values of sin trigonometrical ratios of 60 degree. That is sin 60 degree, that is equal to opposite side is root 3 by hypotenuse is 2. Cos 60 degree, that is equal to adjacent side is 1, hypotenuse is 2. Tan 60 degree. Now is it enough? Tan 60 degree, that is equal to adjacent side by opposite side by adjacent side, that is root 3 by 1 is root 3. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 60 is 1 over 2, tan 60 is root 3. Next, cosecant 60 degree. Cosecant 60 degree, that is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side, that is 2 by root 3. Secant 60 degree. Secant 60 degree, that is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side, that is 2 by 1, that is equal to 2. Cot 60 degree, that is equal to adjacent side by opposite side, that is 1 over root 3. From the right angle triangle ABD, sin 60 degree equal to root 3 by 2, cos 60 is 1 over 2, tan 60 is root 3, cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3, secant 60 is 2, cot 60 is 1 over root 3, when angle ABD is 60 degree. Next, the trigonometrical ratios of 0 degree. Trigonometrical ratios of 0 degree. Consider the triangle ABC such that consider the triangle ABC such that angle ACB. Consider the triangle ABC. Let angle ACB, that is equal to 0 degree. Then AB, that is equal to AC. AB equal to then AC equal to BC and AB equal to 0. Consider the triangle ABC. Let angle ACB is 0. This one is 0. That AC equal to BC. That means the line AC which is on the line BC. then angle ACB is 0 degree. When AC which is on the line BC, the value of AB is 0. Now write the trigonometrical ratios of 0 degree, that is sin 0 degree. Sin 0 degree, that is equal to opposite side. Opposite side is AB by hypotenuse is AC. AB is 0 by AC. 0 by anything is 0. Next, cos 0 degree, that is adjacent side is BC by hypotenuse is AC, that is equal to, when BC is AC, BC in place of AC substitute BC, the BC by BC is 1. Next, tan 0 degree, that is tan 0 is opposite side is AB by adjacent side is BC. AB is 0 by BC. 0 by BC is 0. Next, cosecant 0 degree. Cosecant 0 degree, that is equal to hypotenuse is AC. Opposite side is AB, that is equal to AC by 0. Anything by 0 is infinity. AC by 0 is infinity. Next, secant 0. Secant 0 degree, that is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side, that is equal to AC, that is equal to BC by BC, that is equal to 1. Cot 0 degree, that is equal to adjacent side is BC by opposite side is AB, that is equal to BC by AB is 0, that is equal to infinity. That is sin 0 degree is 0, cos 0 degree is 1, tan 0 is 0, cosecant 0 degree is infinity, secant 0 is 1, cot 0 degree is infinity. The last one is the trigonometrical ratios of 90 degree. Trigonometric ratios of 90 degree. We consider this angle as 90 degree. 90 degree. Here consider the right angle. Consider the triangle ABC. Consider the triangle ABC. Let angle ACB, that is equal to 90 degree. That one is 90 degree, means that is the line AC which is on the line AB. That angle is 90 degree. Then BC equal to 0 and AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. Then the trigonometrical ratios of 90 degree is sin 90 degree. Sin 90 degree, that is equal to opposite side is AB, hypotenuse is AC. When AB equal to AC, AC by AC, AC by AC equal to 1. The value of sin 90 is 1. Cos 90 degree, that is equal to adjacent side is BC by hypotenuse is AC, that is BC is 0 by AC, that is 0 by AC is 0. Next, tan 90 degree. The tan 90 degree, that is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is equal to AB by BC value is 0. AB by 0 is infinity. Next, cosecant 90 degree. The cosecant 90 degree, that is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side, that is equal to AC by AB, that is AC, that is equal to 1. Next, secant 90 degree. Secant 90 degree, that is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side, that is AC by BC. Secant 90 degree, that is equal to AC by BC, that is equal to AC by 0. AC by 0 is infinity. Next, cot 90 degree. Cot 90 degree, that is equal to opposite side. So adjacent side is BC, opposite side is AB, that is equal to BC is 0 by AB. 0 by AB is 0. From this triangle, the value of sin 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0, tan 90 is infinity, cosecant 90 is 1, secant 90 is infinity, cot 90 is 0. Trigonometric ratios of standard angles table. Standard angles table. That is angle, sin, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. Degree 45. That is 0 degree, 30 degree. 30 degree is a pi by 6 radian. 45 degree, 45 degree is a pi by 4 radian. Next, 60 degree, 60 degree is a pi by 3 radian. 90 degree, 90 degree is pi by 2 radian. That is the value of sin 0 degree is 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Sin 90 is 1. Cos 0 degree is 1. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 over root 2. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Cos 90 is 0. tan values, tan 0 is 0, tan 30 is 1 over root 3, tan 45 is 1, tan 60 degree is root 3, tan 90 is infinity. Next cosecant. Cosecant 0 is infinity, cosecant 30 is 2, cosecant 45 is root 2, cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3, cosecant 90 is 1. Secant values, secant 0 is 1, secant 30 is 2 by root 3, secant 45 is root 2, secant 60 is 2, secant 90 is infinity. Next cot values, cot 0 is infinity, cot 30 is root 3, cot 45 is 1, cot 60 is 1 over root 3, cot 90 is 0. Then this one is the table of trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. This table may be remember, or this table, the above table, that can be remember as follows. For sine function, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. For cosine function, in the reverse order, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Here take square root and divided by 2 and divide by 2. Then we get the trigonometrical ratios of sine and cosine function of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Here angle sine, cos, for 0 degree, that is root 0 by 2, that is equal to 0. (30°) root 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2. (45°) root 2 by 2, that is equal to 1 over root 2. (60°) root 3 by 2. 90°) root 4 by 2, that is equal to 1. For cosine function, in the reverse order is root 4 by 2. Root 4 by 2 is 1, root 1 by root 3 by 2, that let root 2 by 2, that is equal to 1 over root 2, and root 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2, root 0 by 2, that is equal to 0. The table, that is the trigonometrical ratios of the standard angles tables, that may remember by using this, that is for sine function 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, for cosine function 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, take square root of these numbers and divide by 2, then we get sine and cosine of 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Next for tan, tan equal to sine by cos. Next, that is cot equal to 1 over tan. cosecant equal to 1 over sin, secant equal to 1 over cos. Apply that and we may find the trigonometrical ratios of tan, cot, cosecant, secant of 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Now I will take the problems on the standard angles. First problem, find the value of sin cube 45 degree into secant 45 degree plus cosecant square 60 degree plus minus tan square 30 degree. Find the value of sin cube 45 degree, secant 45 degree plus cosecant square 60 degree minus tan square 30 degree. Here find the value of this problem without using tables or calculator. Here the value of sin 45 is 1 over root 2. Sin 45 value is 1 by root 2. Sin cube 45 means 1 by root 2 the whole cube. Next secant 45 degree, the value of secant 45 is root 2 plus cosecant 60 degree, the value of cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3, that is the cosecant square 60 means 2 by root 3 the whole square minus tan 30 is 1 over root 3, tan square 30 is 1 by root 3 the whole square. 1 by root 2 the whole cube means 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. This root 2 into root 2 is the 2, that is 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 by 2 into root 2 is the 2 root 2. That is 1 by root 2 the whole cube is 1 by 2 root 2 into root 2 plus 2 square is 4 by root 3 square is 3. Root 3 square means root 3 into root 3, that is 3 minus 1 by root 3 the whole square means 1 square is 1 by root 3 square is 3. Here root 2 cancel, that is equal to 1 by 2 plus 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3. The LCM of 2, 3 and 3 is 6. The LCM of 3 and 3 is 3. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, that is 2 into 3, that is 6. That is a 6, 2, 3 is a 3 into 1 is a 3 plus 3 2 the 2 into 4 is 8 minus 3 2 the 2 into 1 is 2, that is equal to 3 plus 8 11 minus 2 is a 9 by 6, that is a 3 3 is a 3 2 the, that is equal to 3 by 2 is the value of this of the given problem. Without using tables or calculator, find the value of cos cube 30 degree into cot 30 degree minus 2 cosecant square 45 degree plus 3 sin 30 degree into tan square 60 degree, tan square 60 degree. In the given problem, there is a cos 30, cot 30, cosecant 45, sin 30 and tan 60. The value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos cube 30 means root 3 by 2 the whole cube into cot 30, the value is root 3 minus 2 into cosecant 45 is root 2, cosecant square 45 is root 2 the whole square plus 3 into sin 30 is 1/2 into tan 60 is root 3 the whole square, that is equal to root 3 by 2 the whole cube is root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2, that is 3 root 3 by 8 into root 3 minus 2 into root 2 square is 2 plus 3 into 1 is 3 by 2 into root 3 square is 3, that is equal to root 3 into root 3 is 3 into 3 is 9 by 8 minus 4 plus 9 by 2. Here root 3 by 2 the whole cube means root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. This root 3 into root 3 3. That 3 into root 3 3 root 3 by 2 into 2 4 into 2 8. Root 3 by 2 the whole cube is 3 root 3 by 8. 3 root 3 into root 3 means 9 by 8. This root 3 into root 3 is 3 into this 3 is 9, 9 by 8 minus 2 into 2 is 4 plus 3 into 3 9 by 2. The LCM of 1, 2 and 8 is 8. 8 1 the 1 into 9 is 9 minus 1 8 the 8 into 4 is 32 plus 2 4 the 4 into 9 is 36. That is equal to 13 by 8. The 13 by 8 is the value of the given problem. In standard angles, we write the trigonometrical ratios of standard angles without using tables or calculator. Next, problem number 3. Find the value of 15 by 8 cot cube 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus 1 by 4 sin square 60 degree plus 3 by 4 cos square 60 degree. That is equal to here 15 by 8 into cot 60 value is 1/√3. Cot cube 60 means 1 by root 3 the whole cube into cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 4 into sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Sin square 60 is root 3 by 2 the whole square plus 3 by 4 into cos 60 is 1 by 2, cos square 60 is 1 by root 1 by 2 the whole square, that is equal to 15 by 8 into 1 by root 3 the whole cube is 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3 is 1 by 3 root 3 into root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 4 into root 3 square is 3 by 2 square is 4 plus 3 by 4 into 1 square is 1 by 2 square is 4. Here this root 3 cancel, that is equal to 15 into 3 5 that is 5 by 8 into 2 is 16 plus 1 into 3 is 3 by 4 into 4 is 16 plus 3 into 1 is 3 by 4 into 4 is 16. The LCM of 16 and 16 is, that is 16. That is 16 1 the 1 into 5 is 5 plus 3, 16 1 the 1 into 3 3, 16 1 the 1 into 3 is 3, that is equal to 11 by 16 is the value. Next, fourth one, prove that one plus cos 30 by 1 minus cos 30 degree equal to 1 plus cot 60 by 1 minus cot 60 degree the whole square. Here in the left hand side, LHS equal to 1 plus cos 30 degree by 1 minus cos 30 degree. 1 plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 by 1 minus cos 30 is root 3 by 2. 2 is LCM in the numerator, that is a 2 plus root 3. In the denominator also 2 is LCM, that is a 2 minus root 3. This is a 2 cancel, that is equal to 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. Here the numerator denominator and the denominator both are same, so cancel it. The LHS is 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. RHS equal to 1 plus cot 60 by 1 minus cot 60 the whole square. That is 1 plus cot 60 is 1 over root 3 by 1 minus cot 60 1 over root 3 the whole square. That is equal to root 3 is LCM, that is root 3 plus 1 in the numerator. In the denominator also root 3 is LCM, root 3 minus 1 the whole square. Here this root 3 cancel. The square applies both the numerator and denominator. Root 3 plus 1 the whole square by root 3 minus 1 the whole square. Root 3 plus 1 the whole square is root 3 square is root 3 square plus 1 square plus 2 into root 3 into 1. That one in the form of a plus b the whole square. Denominator in the form of a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square is a square is root 3 square plus b square is 1 square minus 2ab is 2 into root 3 into 1. That is root 3 square is 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3 by 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3. 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 2 root 3 by 4 minus 2 root 3. In the numerator and denominator 2 is the common factor, 2 plus root 3 by 2 into 2 minus root 3. This is 2 cancel. That is LHS is 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. RHS also 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Here this is 2 and 2 cancel. Next one, if theta equal to 30 degree, show that sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta by sin theta equal to 4. Here LHS, that is equal to sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. Sin 30 degree by 1 plus cos 30 plus 1 plus cos 30 degree by sin 30 degree. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2 by 1 plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus 1 plus root 3 by 2 by sin 30 is 1 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 2. In the denominator 1 and 2 LCM is 2. Then that is a 2 plus root 3 by 2 plus 1 plus 2 is LCM, 2 plus root 3 by 1 by 2. This is a 2 cancel. That is equal to 1 by 2 plus root 3 plus 2 plus root 3 by 1. The LCM of 2 plus root 3 and 1 is 2 plus root 3. That is LCM divided by denominator is 1, 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2 plus root. That is 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus root 3 the whole square by 2 plus root 3. This one is the form of a plus b the whole square. That is equal to 1 plus 2 square 4 plus root 3 square is 3 plus 2 into 1 into root 3 is 2 root 3 by 2 plus root 3. This one is a square plus b square plus 2ab values. A square is root 2 square, b square is root 3 square is 3. 2ab is 2 into 1 into root 3. That is equal to 8 plus 2 root 3 by 2 plus root 3. In the numerator, 2 is the common factor. 2 is the common factor. 1 plus 4 plus 5. So 2 into 2ab means 2 into 2 into 4, that is 4 root 3. Here 4 is the common factor in the numerator, that is 2 plus root 3 by 2 plus root 3. This is 2 plus root 3, 2 plus root 3 cancel, that is equal to 4, that is equal to RHS. If x into secant square 60 degree into cosecant square 45 degree by 4 sin 45 degree into secant 45 degree, that is equal to cot square 30 degree minus tan square 30 degree. That is x into find x. Find x. X into secant 60 value is 2, that is 2 square. Cosecant 45 is root 2 square by 4 into sin 45 is 1 over root 2. secant 45 is root 2. Cot 30 is root 3 the whole square minus tan 30 is 1 over root 3 the whole square. That is x into 2 square is 4, root 2 square is 2. Here 2 cancel, that 4 equal to 3 minus 1 by 3. Here 4 cancel. That at x into 2 is 2x, that is equal to LCM of 1 and 3 is 3, that is in the numerator 9 minus 1. 2x equal to 8 by 3. X equal to 8 by 2 into 3, that is a 2 4s, that is equal to 4 by 3. The value of x is 4 by 3. Continue the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.